Hello everyone and welcome to One Run Academy. In this video we are going to reveal our ISTQB Foundation Level V4 exam. This is your chance to test your knowledge and gain valuable insights into the actual one. So if you haven't watched the introduction video yet, I recommend you give it a look. It's packed with valuable tips on maximizing your exam practicing experience and boosting your chance of exam success. By now, I think you know what this is. So from the video description, you can find the link to this answer draft to print it or just draw it on a piece of paper. This will make things easier for you to log your choices, compare your answers, and calculate your rate. And to help you navigate this practice exam and the actual one with confidence, let's explore some tips. First is time management. So don't get caught up on any question for too long. Remember, the ISTQB themselves suggest spending about 1 minute on K1 and K2 questions and 3 minutes on K3 questions. Second is to watch out for tricky language. So be careful when you read words like most or least in the questions. These often indicate that the answer choices are closely related, with some minimal differences. For instance, the most word suggests that all options have some degree of correctness, but only one option perfectly aligns with the context of the question. Next is to trust your first instinct. So, when you carefully read a question, your initial answer choice is likely the correct one. Don't doubt yourself and change your answer unless you reread the question and discover something you missed at the first time. Alright, people, I won't be reading out the questions or their options. This is because you won't have this luxury during the actual exam. So consider this as a challenge to test your reading speed and comprehension skills. So you have got two options to tackle this exam. You can use YouTube, of course, as each question will be displayed on the screen for 5 seconds. Pause the video by hitting the spacebar, gather your thoughts, and choose the answer. Once you're confident in your selection, resume the video and move on to the next question. The second option is for those who prefer a physical copy. Download the PDF of the exam questions from the link provided in the description. Take your time, read each question carefully, and select your answer. Don't forget, regardless of which option you choose, don't forget to write down your answer in a separate sheet of paper. This will make it easier to calculate your score later. Also, keep track of how long it takes you to complete the entire exam. So, are you ready to put your knowledge to the test? Let's begin. And good luck. Alright, welcome back. So I hope you did well on the exam. In the next 4 videos, we will discuss the answers for these questions. For those seeking an even more immersive learning experience, I've prepared a link to 6 additional exams on Udemy. There you will find an engaging questions, selecting the answer and battling against the clock. And don't worry, of course, we will provide detailed explanation and score breakdown for every question. So the next step is to dive into a series of 4 insightful videos, each packed with 10 thought-provoking explanations. We will break down the answers together, ensuring no concept goes without exploration. So come join me in the next video. See you there.